At IDEF 2025 in Istanbul, Turkish defense firms FNSS and Roketsan presented a groundbreaking prototype that merges hybrid propulsion technology with cutting-edge directed energy defenses. The newly introduced Kaplan hybrid infantry fighting vehicle, equipped with Roketsan's ALKA laser weapon system, showcases Turkey's commitment to developing advanced, homegrown solutions tailored for the challenges of modern warfare, where drone swarms and precision-guided munitions increasingly threaten ground forces. This latest version of the Kaplan platform moves beyond traditional armored vehicle design by combining a diesel engine with an electric drive unit, allowing rapid bursts of acceleration and near-silent travel in fully electric mode. Reports indicate the vehicle can sprint to 32 km per hour in less than 6 seconds, making it highly maneuverable in tight urban combat zones. Along with lower fuel consumption and reduced noise signature, the hybrid system extends battlefield endurance while maintaining full compatibility with modern command and fire control suites. The addition of Roketsan's ALKA directed energy weapon system transforms the vehicle into a mobile counter-drone platform. ALKA detects aerial threats through specialized radar and can track up to 100 hostile objects simultaneously. Once locked, it disrupts drones and loitering munitions using electromagnetic interference before destroying them with a high-powered laser. Capable of engaging targets from 750 to 1,500 meters, the system operates day and night, providing a reusable, low-cost defense against airborne and improvised explosive threats, including drone swarms, floating mines, and unmanned sea vehicles. By fusing silent hybrid mobility with high-precision energy weapons, the Kaplan hybrid reflects a shift toward agile, stealth-capable vehicles optimized for asymmetric battlefields. Comparable projects exist elsewhere, such as the U.S. Army's Stryker-mounted lasers or Germany's Skyranger HEL, but Turkey's focus on a compact, export-ready platform sets it apart. The system is particularly relevant for regions plagued by drone saturation, including Turkey's own border operations, where conventional air defenses can be overwhelmed. Industry observers note that both FNSS and Roketsan are aligning closely with Turkish armed forces procurement priorities. The modular nature of the Kaplan chassis and ALKA system suggests potential adaptation for other tracked and wheeled platforms in Turkey's inventory. With the prototype already in advanced stages, trial deployments could be on the horizon, reinforcing Turkey's ambitions to lead in energy-efficient armored vehicles equipped with directed energy defenses. The unveiling at IDEF 2025 underscores a clear message: future land warfare will favor platforms capable of combining speed, stealth, endurance, and precise, non-kinetic firepower. Through this innovation, Turkey signals its determination to redefine battlefield survivability with indigenous, next-generation technology.